everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to monitor and optimize your internet usage on Windows 11. So let's get started. So firstly you are going to search bar and type settings, or simply you can click Windows icon plus I to go to settings. Here you will see all the settings. Click on network and internet. Here you will click on data usage. Here is the list of softwares which use data. For example, Chrome, it's the last 30 days data. You can filter it by last 7 days, last 24 hours, according to your need. Here you will see data usage per app. So the next is set data limit. Just simply go to again settings, network and internet, data usage. Here you will see enter limit. Click on that. Here you will see limit type, for example monthly, daily, one time or unlimited. You can select according to your data. Reset every month on first of the date. Here you will type data limit, unit, MB or GB. For example, if you daily data limit is 1 GB, you can select daily data limit 1 or 2, then save. Here you will see 1.23 GB used, 8 hours until reset. 00 means the data reset will be 12 am midnight, 61% used. If you edit this, click on edit limit or remove limit. Just next is use task manager to monitor real-time usage. Just simply click on search bar. Here you will type task manager. Click on task manager. Here you will see performance. Click on performance. Here you will see Wi-Fi. Here you will see real-time usage. How much kbps or mbps in real time. 120 kbps, 0 kbps. If I search anything, the speed is going next. So the next is optimize internet usage. For this, we are again going to settings. Click on apps, then installed apps or apps and feature. It's different in different devices. So here you will see all the apps. Click on any of the app. Click on three dots, then advanced options. Here you will see all app permissions. Here background app permissions. Click on this, let this app run in background. Then click on never. It usage your data. It reduce your data usage. Next is click on Windows Update. Here you will see pause update. Click on pause update. This will also reduce your data usage and saves your data. When you have unlimited data, just click again resume updates. Then it's automatically update. And that's it. Monitoring and optimizing your internet usage on Windows 11 easy. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe and drop a comment telling me what app eats up most of your bandwidth. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.